Welcome to BSTB234 Digital, and this is our new studio. But how did we do it? Well, in this video, you're going to see. So yeah, let's get right into it. So guys, we've got all this stuff going downstairs. We've got this for at the back of the desk, like a little desk shelf. These wires, 1, 2, 3 monitors. We've also getting a fourth one on the way. We've got 4 laptops, a keyboard, hard drive, RAM, screwdrivers. We've also got our Dell Optiplex. It's really annoying not being able to use flash for some reason. Then we've got our headphones, we've got the server keyboard, my keyboard, and just wires, Xboxes. Yeah, obviously the gaming chair. So look at this. This is quite a lot of stuff to bring downstairs tomorrow, guys. So yeah, got a lot to bring down. So this is it after. What you just saw was before, now this is it after. The room is empty. It's where my studio used to be. It's all good having a studio, guys, but now, look at that clock, by the way. Now we are going to show you how we did it. Thank you to our new editor, my mum, Rebecca, of how she did this. Let's go. And then this is it. We've got the team dining area to eat when we're on the shift. Then we've got my mum's setup for editing the BSTB234 Digital videos. Then obviously the cat's set up here. And then my setup where I'm actually editing. Oh, I'm editing this video so you can see it. But yeah, we're currently editing this video. And then we've got a lovely new clock, guys, which I picked out in B&M. It looks lovely. So guys, here we are. This is the new headquarters of the 2DN network, 234 Digital Network. This is my office area here. 2 monitors. I'm going to get a new PC down there soon. We've got the motherboard coming. Then this is my mum's editing setup over here. So this is where she's going to be editing our 234 Digital videos. So that's the Dell Optiplex, what she'll be using to edit and do service, which is a huge upgrade from this, what it was an old actual studio. It's a huge upgrade going from this HP Pavilion with a Pentium to obviously a Dell Optiplex like this. So yeah, this is our new setup. We've also got a TV, we've got a big whiteboard there, so this is where all our videos will be made from now on. So yeah guys, we've now got my mum's editing area fully ready. This chair and everything. So yeah, and yes guys, we have got this studio. That was my nose. Wet floor. Anyway, so we've got the studio. We have gone from this room, which obviously is empty now, but you can imagine how small and difficult it was to edit all my projects and do everything, including recording in here. I don't know where we're recording, might even record in here still. But going from this to this, guys, so it is amazing, a very good upgrade. So we've got some videos coming with Grandad on this channel next. That's basically going to be our main focus after we've done all this, so yeah. So that is it, guys. Thanks for watching this video. And this is our completed game room. So we've got the TV, clock, light up things, and going around. We've got the editor set up, my setup, and then we're going to get like a big whiteboard on there for my birthday. So yeah, it's going to come together really well, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed. Hit that like and subscribe button, as you can see just down below. We'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.